coming, huh? Right now, it is a rain season for 4 months. Thailand, we have 3 seasons. Rain season 4 months. After that, winter 3 months. Then summer 3 months. Hello, my group. This is National Park, Wachiratan Waterfall. Hello, little girl, little boys over there. Mangoes, teak. Follow me. We go there by walking. น้ำตกวชิรทาน Wachiratan Waterfall is located in the northern of Thailand in the Inthanon National Park, Chiangmai, Thailand. Very beautiful waterfall. On the top of the mountain, this stand is water they made. Drop it is high 80 meters.น้ำตกวชิรทาน Oh, beautiful butterfly, waterfall butterfly, black and yellow. So this is Siritan waterfall. Only 60 meters high, small waterfall but beautiful. So this is the way go to Siritan waterfall. Enjoy your coffee. Coffee time.
Yellow, mixed flower tea, rose, jasmine, pandan leaf, osmine ash flower. Sleep well.
Oh, we see a lot of groups, a lot of babies, a pig, boy and girls. They are so cute. That's it. Lazy mom. She's sleepy after she gave the meal to the kids. Oh, enjoy your lunch. Big lunch and beer time. Beer time. Oh, under the rain, under rain. Go, 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 go. This is the roof of Thailand. The highest spot in Thailand, Doi Inthanon National Park. So now we are the roof of Thailand. A lot of people with plastic sheets, with raincoat, rain, under rain. Hello, my friend. Hello. This is pagoda in the northern of Thailand, in the top of the mountain Doi Inthanon National Park. Beautiful crown. So this trekking trail, another route, go to looking some birds, some moths, some plants, some animals, some birds. Trekking trail, we call Angka trail, this one. Right now we are in National Park, Doi Inthanon. Make a cycle route. So you can see Sabaknam moss, rhododendron, and fox, birds.